Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how to make an HIPPO. If you are my subscribers, so you might know how I work. I work with spheres. So for face I'm adding two spheres. For one is for head, like forehead and eye, and for mouth I'm adding one more sphere just because it has a bigger mouth than his head, so it will be easier to control in this matter. And as you guys can see, I am using my custom UI. If you guys want to know how do I make my custom UI, hit me in comment. Let me know if you guys want to know. Alright, so now it's being very simple. I'm not doing anything special, just playing with move tool. Now, since I get the basic shape of the head, I can use my damn standard brush to give a little bit detail of his mouth. So I would know how, where to work on now. All right. Now, as you can see, this is a sphere which came with a ZRemesher, so it didn't have that ZRemesher. So I just did a ZRemesher just to work with it better, an easy way. Now I'm just here making a space for his eyeballs where it can sit, making an eye cavity. Here I just add one more sphere just for eye and give a proper shape. And guys, I almost spent some more than I can say I spend more time on his face. Not only this character, comparatively I spend more time on face on characters. Why? Because I want to give face should be much pronounced and much eye-catchy to people, whoever watching your character, whoever seeing your character, it should be appear good to them. So, and honestly, if I say one thing, if your character's body is not that good but the face is nice, it can be okay, it can be passed. But if you guys are working on both and face and body, that's a plus point. As a beginners, I'll suggest you guys to work on face more than body, because body can be changed in by pose or by the character itself. But face has some areas which won't change as per characters, even though he's giving an expression of an happiness, sadness, or angry. There are some points which won't change that much. So I'll say study your character, study your anatomy. That will help you really big time. So I'll suggest you guys to do that and practice as much as you guys can do. And always remember, keep your reference with you. If you don't have, collect them as much as you can. If you have a little bit experience in anatomy, or you guys know how anatomy works, where muscles goes, where bones are, then you guys can work with one reference. Believe me, I have practiced, I have known, so you guys can do it. And by no means I'm saying that I'm expert in anatomy, but practice. Sometimes I keep my anatomy reference on my another monitor, or sometimes I keep close to like phone, mobile, like iPad, whatever you guys have, just keep your reference with you. If you guys have like anatomy, the figure, that's much better. You guys can physically give it a shape, like pose, and you can see how it works. That's the best thing you can spend like your money on. Not those figurines like action figure or something like that. No, the what do you say, anatomy like toys, like more like figurines. Those are really helpful for like who is into sculpting and who want to give a dynamic pose to the characters. That can help you big time. So if you can have it, purchase it. Guys, this is not that hard character to work on. You guys can do easily. I hope that. If you don't, then you can see I'm not using a ton brushes, like I'm using maybe 5 in this video. You guys can see it. I'm doing step by step, like really slow, so you guys can do with me basically the character itself. There is one thing new I have done in this video. Previously I have never shown you guys to do how to do, so I'll speak right now because it's gonna be short. So I'm gonna show you how to work with ZRemesher guide. ZRemesher guide is basically, it will show you how can you make your flow edges, like how to flow it and which direction you want to get flow that. So you just need to give it a proper lines, straight and horizontal and vertical. Then once you're okay, you must know the vertical lines go in the direction, the faces also flow in the same direction. Once you're okay with that, once you're confirmed that you need in that direction, at that time you can go and do ZRemesher. And again, keep same. If you want the same amount of poly count, if you want half, if you want double, you can do double, or if you want to specify how much you want, you can do that even. Alright, so I suggest to keep it like fairly same because it will be much better to work with. As you can see, I'm struggling to make hands because I don't have any other reference to work with. Just one side of the hands, it's not gonna cut. So I'm just trying my best to work with. So you can see I'm trying here and there, like how it can be fixed, how it can be okay to work with. So that's it. Just watch it. How do I do it? If you guys have any other like opinions, like any ideas, let me know in the comment box. I love to hear that like your ideas, your way, how you guys work. Again, I'm not gonna doing the same thing for the all characters, but some things are there which you can keep in your mind that how it will work. For an example, like if you have like fat in a character, you can never use same techniques on every character because it can be different. For example, if you have muscular guys, all right, you guys can do same technique again and again, even though he is in different pose, but still you can work with that. Hands are tough for me. If you guys, anyone who knows the better way to work with hands, please do let me know. I'll be glad if someone can help me with this thing. But I'm practicing for hands. Now this sphere is going to be his ears, and for ears I feel like you can use same technique even though it doesn't matter like if it's a hippo, cat, lion, dog. I feel like it's the same technique you guys can use, just shape differently, that's it. And guys, do remember, alright, this is the area where I was talking about the ZRemesher. As you can see, I'm making checkers, so flow for the polygons, it will follow that area, like that flow. Now you can see I got what are the what do you say, the vertical lines and horizontal, the way I was looking for. Now I'm gonna do adjust all that lines, because I couldn't make exactly the way I wanted in a short time. So what I did, I just adjust with the move brush. Now just extract it with the Z modeler and face. Yeah, face and polygroup, sorry, extrude. And in extrude you can see there is an option for polygroup island. What that does is, like, it will give you the which one you want. If you have multiple polygroups, right, and those polygroups are known as an island, right? So in ZModeler extrude you can see there is an option for border, island, all. So you guys can select and extract that. Now I need to add a little bit details. So what I did here, I just subdivided 4 times for all of the subtools, just to keep like even. So I did that, and I'm gonna do later on, like merge them, all of them in one. And I'm gonna be posting this kind of characters on my CG Trades page in my account. So you guys, whoever wants to download this, you guys can find that link in my description down below. Just go ahead there and just see. If you guys like something, you guys can download. Let me know if you guys want me to make something new. I'll make that, I'll try that. And if you guys have watched till now, please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you guys know whenever I post a new video, and share it. Alright guys, thank you.